I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan permits tethering and checking you have enough data. This prevents unexpected blocks. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering to begin. You'll tap Wi-Fi Hotspot to access the controls. Make sure to set a clear SSID so you can find it on other devices, and create a strong password to protect your connection. These first steps get the hotspot running and secure before devices attempt to join. Now you configure security and the radio band to balance speed and range. You should pick WPA2 or WPA3 and a password of at least 8 characters so strangers cannot join. Then select 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for faster local speeds. Choose based on where clients will be. Also enable auto turn-off when no devices are connected and set a data limit to avoid bill shock. These steps ensure the hotspot is efficient. To finish, connect your laptop or tablet by scanning the SSID and entering the password you created. You should see a connected client in hotspot settings. If a device won't connect, first toggle the hotspot off and try toggling airplane mode to reset radios. If problems persist, confirm the carrier isn't blocking tethering, reboot the phone, and verify data is active. These final checks resolve most issues and get your devices online quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.